Meet Ramesh, a young delivery executive living in a small town in India. Like many people, Ramesh worked hard but struggled to stretch his income until the end of the month. Bills, rent, groceries, and unexpected medical expenses left his wallet empty by the third week. He wasn't reckless, just financially tight. One day, he came across an ad on social media. Get Rs5000 instantly. No paperwork, no questions asked. Tempted by the offer, he clicked. Within minutes, he had Rs5000 in his account from a payday loan app. All he had to do was repay Rs5800 in just 15 days. It seemed simple, but when payday came, Ramesh was short again. He couldn't pay back the Rs5800. The app offered a solution. Extend your loan. Pay just Rs1000 now. Desperate, he agreed. What followed was a nightmare. The interest piled up. Rs5800 turned into Rs7000, then Rs9000, then Rs12000 in a few weeks. Daily calls began from recovery agents, some polite, some threatening. Ramesh's mental health began to crumble. His friends distanced themselves. His employer heard about the issue and warned him to fix his problems or lose the job. Sadly, Ramesh is not alone. What are payday loans? Payday loans are short-term loans with very high interest rates. They are marketed as a way to get cash quickly without credit checks or paperwork. These loans are typically due on your next payday, hence the name. But because of the high fees and short repayment windows, most borrowers can't repay on time. This leads to rollovers and compound interest, trapping people in debt. In recent years, buy now, pay later and credit apps have flooded the Indian market. These platforms offer instant loans, credit cards and EMIs without explaining the fine print. Their tone is friendly, their apps are flashy, but the traps are hidden. High interest rates, 30 to 200% APR. Late payment fees. Data harvesting and privacy breaches, harassment by recovery agents, mental stress and family conflict. For those living paycheck to paycheck, these apps seem like a lifeline. But in reality, they often become a financial noose. Payday loans and easy credit prey on emotions, fear, urgency, and shame. You need to fix your bike to get to work? Take a quick loan. Struggling to buy groceries? Tap and get Rs3000 now. Want to take your kids out on the weekend? Don't worry, pay later. It sounds helpful, but it encourages a mindset of dependency. Instead of solving the real issue, a lack of budgeting, savings, or emergency funds, these tools offer a dangerous illusion of stability. Let's break it down with an example. If you borrow Rs10,000 at a 30% monthly interest rate, and you roll it over for 3 months, you could end up paying over Rs19,000 in total. That's Rs9,000 extra, just for the convenience of quick money. Is that worth it? Here are steps to avoid the trap of payday loans and easy credit. Track every rupee. Know where your money goes. Use a simple notebook or a budgeting app. Build an emergency fund. Start with just Rs500, Rs1000 per month. Build at least 3 months worth of expenses. Say no to unverified apps. Never download financial apps without checking reviews, RBI registration and permissions requested. Avoid buy now, pay later for non-essentials. If you can't afford it today, maybe you don't need it yet. Talk to someone before taking a loan. A friend, family member, or financial advisor can offer a second opinion. The Reserve Bank of India has already issued warnings against unregulated loan apps. In many cases, these apps steal personal data, photos, and contact lists. Some have even driven people to take drastic steps due to harassment. Payday loans and easy credit might seem like a solution, but in reality, they're a short-term fix with long-term pain. The true path to financial freedom is not found in instant cash, but in smart money habits, budgeting, saving, and living below your means, just like Ramesh eventually did. He deleted all loan apps, borrowed Rs5,000 from a friend interest-free, and started over. It wasn't easy, but it was honest. Today, he has no loans, a growing savings account, and peace of mind. The shortcut may look tempting, but the long road of discipline leads to real wealth.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel Growing Minds Through Stories.